Hey guys, welcome back to BlueStar's Unboxed Studios. I'm Sam, and today I'll be unboxing the Xenon Ultra 1962H cordless Bluetooth handheld scanner. I've got my box cutter, so I'm gonna jump right in. Right out of the box, I've got some product information, a USB-C cord to plug into our scanner, and our charging cord. Let me clear this away and we'll keep going. The Xenon Ultra 1962H incorporates Honeywell's next generation of scanning, allowing patient care to remain a top priority for clinicians, helping to improve employee retention and lowering the total cost of ownership for hospitals. All healthcare models come with anti-microbial, disinfectant-ready housings and can be regularly cleaned with a wide variety of cleaning products without damaging the device. Designed with the healthcare environment in mind, this device offers an improved design which reduces the number of nooks and crannies, cutting out the potential for germ hiding spots. This scanner takes up minimal space and can be mounted and stored in a variety of places, keeping a nurse's focus on the patient. Its battery-free technology runs on supercapacitors instead of batteries and is capable of achieving a full charge in less than 4 minutes. Before it needs a recharge, the Xenon Ultra 1962H scanner can complete at least 450 scans. Its green dot aimer works to visibly enhance targeting and scanning accuracy for whatever the workplace presents. As always, I wanted to thank the team at Honeywell for sending over this scanner so that I could unbox it for you and showcase its features and benefits. Now, if you're interested in pricing or availability, be sure to reach out to your BlueStar rep today. Thanks, guys.